Ever found yourself staring at a leaky faucet, its relentless drip, drip, drip echoing around your home? Well, fear not, because today you're about to discover the straightforward art of faucet repair. This essential skill can save you both time and money, not to mention the satisfaction of a job well done. First things first, gather the necessary tools. You'll need an adjustable wrench, a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and, of course, a replacement washer. It's also a good idea to have a towel or bucket on standby to catch any stray water. Step 1 requires turning off the water supply. Look beneath your sink for 2 valves, one for hot and one for cold. Turning these clockwise effectively shuts off the water flow. The second step involves removing the faucet handle. This is where your screwdrivers come into play. Typically, a decorative cap covers the screw on the top of the handle. Using the flathead screwdriver, carefully pry off the cap to reveal the screw underneath. Once exposed, use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew it, allowing you to lift off the handle. Next comes the packing nut, which you'll find beneath the handle. Use your wrench to loosen and remove this nut, revealing the stem. Remove that as well, and you'll finally uncover the washer. The fourth step involves replacing the washer. Unscrew it from the valve stem, replace it with a new one, and then screw it back in place. Remember, the washer is the heart of your faucet, and a worn-out washer is often the culprit behind that annoying drip. Now, all that's left is to reassemble the faucet, replace the stem, and tighten the packing nut, ensuring it's secure but not overly tight. Then, pop the handle back on, screw it in place, and replace the decorative cap. Finally, turn the water supply back on and test your faucet. There you have it. 5 simple steps: turning off the water supply, removing the faucet handle, uncovering the washer, replacing the washer, and reassembling the faucet. With these steps in your back pocket, you're well equipped to tackle any wayward faucet in your home. So, the next time that familiar drip, drip, drip starts to drive you up the wall, don't reach for the phone book. Reach for your toolbox instead. Because after all, why call a plumber when you can be your own?